Alright guys, this video I think will be a pretty short one, but we're going to be talking about how to construct a perpendicular bisector. I'm going to use delta math for the example because it's hard to physically show an actual compass tool, but I'll kind of talk through what that would look like. So on here there's just a compass button, and you're going to start with one of the two segment endpoints. If you're using an actual compass, you would put the pokey end of the compass here, not the pencil part. And the key is you're going to click and drag, at least on here, as long as it is at least halfway. It needs to be at least half, so I'm just going to overshoot it a little bit. And then if you just go off to the side, notice on here a pencil pops up. This is where in real life you'd want to spin your compass to where you make a arc. You can have two little arcs, you can have a big arc like that. As long as there's some room to work, it doesn't really matter too much. And then what I'm going to do on here is I'm going to take what would in real life be the pokey end, like I said, of the compass, and I'm going to put it here. If you had the actual compass, you would want to keep it the same distance apart. That way when you spin it, it's the same size circle and arcs that you're creating. But here, I'm just going to move it there and draw another arc. And what you'll probably notice is that these two kind of U shapes overlap each other now. This is where if you were doing it in real life with like a physical piece of paper, you would get a straight edge like a ruler or something like that, and you would want to draw straight through those points that intersect. For this though, you're just going to click and drag it over, and that creates your line that is a perpendicular. Notice this would be a 90-degree angle, and a bisector cuts it in half. So just let's do one more real fast just to make sure that we see what's going on. So again, you're starting with a compass and you're starting on one of the endpoints, and you just need to go at least halfway before drawing in your arc. Again, if this was real life, you would just spin your compass. I'm going to take it and slide it down now, and I'm going to fill in this arc to where they overlap again. Delta math's nice. It doesn't really let you draw outside the lines, so that's good. And then again, if it was real life, you would take a straight edge and draw through those two intersecting points. But here, you're just going to click on it and drag it over, and there's your line. So hopefully that helped. That's a real short and sweet one. We'll come back with some other constructions here shortly. See ya.